Hi friends, welcome to another interesting recipe in Regis Recipes. So today the interesting recipe is going to be beetroot pulao. So see the ingredients. So this is a very tasty and healthy vegetable is added to it. So let's see how to make this. So take a jar and add the garlics and ginger and add 5 to 7 small onions and add 2 small tomatoes. Then add the green chilies and the curry leaves. So now we can grind them to a smooth paste. So I grinded this to a smooth paste. So next keep it aside and now take a pan and add 2 spoons of ghee. To that add the spices, bay leaf, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon and little pepper. So after sorting it we can add 4 to 5 dry red chilies. So sort them. So after sorting them we can add the onions. So fry the onions until it gets to a golden brown color. Add salt to the onions so that it fries soon. Now the onion got fried well, so we can add the grinded mixture. So add the mixture and sort them well. Sort the mixture until the raw smell of it vanishes. So sort for 2 minutes. So now we have no raw smell, so now we can add the beetroot. So here I'm having 1 beetroot that is grated. So now I'm adding it. Mix the beetroot and now we can add half teaspoon of garam masala, then half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder, so add some salt and mix the beetroot along with the masalas. So after adding, just add some water and cook the masalas in the beetroot. So just cook it for 2 minutes. Okay, now after 2 minutes, after it's also boiling, so now we can switch off the flame. So now take a pressure cooker and add 1 spoon of oil in the bottom. Now I'm going to add rice into it. You can also add the basmati rice. I have took Zira Kasala rice and I have soaked in water that for half an hour. So after that I'm adding it. So I have added 1 cup of rice and I'm adding 1 cup of water and this beetroot mixture. So this beetroot already has some water, so I'm not adding 2 cups of water, just 1 cup of water and this beetroot mixture. So just add the coriander leaves and you have to check for the salt and add some salt to it, and now we can cook this for 2 whistles. So mix them and close the lid and cook for 2 whistles. So after 2 whistles and now the steam is gone, so I'm going to check the pulao. So now the rice is cooked very well. It smells so good. Yes, the beetroot pulao is now ready. It's very yummy and tasty. So now we can serve this beetroot pulao. So now the pulao is ready to serve. So this is really tasty and yummy, and it is having beetroot, so very healthy also. You can eat them along with mirch bhaji and onion raita. So just try this pulao, it is very tasty, you will really like it. So give me a comments after trying. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.